Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete Cash App transactions. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. The first thing that you need to do is open up your Cash App, and once you open it, you'll be seeing this kind of home screen. Right now, in order to view your cash transactions, what you need to do is tap on the clock icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now once you tap on it, you'll be sent to this activity page, and here all the transactions will be listed here. Now unfortunately, you won't be able to delete your transactions because it is stated by the law of the country that any transactions that is done through a mobile banking or Cash App banking cannot be deleted, and it's for your own security and it minimizes fraud as well. Now for example, someone has sent you money from the Cash App and the transaction is deleted from the money, then there is no evidence to prove that the transaction has been done, so you aren't able to delete your Cash App transactions. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.